What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Popping on the J on your Life with J's Honda channel. Welcome back, guys. Before anything else, I really want to say, if you guys don't know, we just hit 500 subscribers. Yes sir, 500 subscribers. Yo, it is crazy. I mean, I had a feeling I was gonna reach 500 subscribers, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this quick. Could have been quicker, but you know, I really want to say thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. We are only up from here, and it's crazy because on my other channel we are almost reaching as much subscribers as my main channel. On my Popular on the J, my Popular on the J channel has like 570 subscribers, and on my car channel we just reached 500 subscribers. So we're literally like almost neck and neck, and I'm like, damn, that's crazy. But thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for just everything. I appreciate the love, the support, the shares, the likes, the comments, the informative comments, the good comments, the bad comments. I really don't care. Thank you guys so much for everything. I really want to be your like go-to Honda personnel YouTuber guy, you know, guide, or whoever. I'm just here to share my knowledge, share the wisdom, and be as helpful as I possibly can. Obviously in the future I want to branch out to like different cars, models, and all that, but as of right now, the only thing I can afford is just my Honda Accord. So yeah, so that's what I'm just gonna be making videos. I'm very appreciative of every single one of you guys, all 500 of you subscribers. That is crazy. Like I said, we are only up from here. And yeah, if you guys have been tuning in, I've been dropping a lot of short form content lately, so a lot of like YouTube shorts. Pretty sure you guys are appreciating that, because in my last like 4 videos I got in like, you know, like 2,000 views and 1,500 views and so on and so forth. If you guys like that, just let me know in the comment section below, or even comment like in the videos. Just let me know what you guys like, what you don't like, what should I do differently, what should I change, not change. And I can't wait to do this again once I reach 1,000 subscribers, then 10,000 subscribers, then 50,000 subscribers, then 100,000 subscribers, 500. Man, listen, it's just gonna keep like going up and up and up. And thank you guys so much for everything. I really like appreciate the support, everything. And the last thing I wanted to say was, I'm not trying to really make this like an excuse, but the reason why I really haven't been uploading like full-blown like car YouTube videos, I'm gonna show you guys in a second once I step out the car. But pretty much I got like into the little accident, a little fender bender, but it's all good. I mean, I'm kind of like in the works of like working on it, or I don't know, I should just leave it like that, but I'm not really sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet. Like, that's been a problem. And then also like just dealing with like life and other important things behind the scenes, so that's been taking a toll on me, but I'm still trying to manage it. So that's why I haven't been like, you know, not in the mood, but I just haven't been in the right headspace to like make certain videos. But I am grabbing my previous videos and turning them into short form content. So there's that. So if you guys like that, like I said, a like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that will help. And I'm gonna continue to do my best to try to give you guys the best content as I possibly can. And I'll see you guys real soon. And before I forget, I'm gonna go outside, show you guys what happened. So as you guys can see, this is my car from an angle, and yep, there you go. That's the little minor accident that happened. So the lower bumper kind of like came off. So yes, so pretty much that whole piece just got messed up, and it got hit pretty bad. The rebar, which is the observant bar, kind of got scratched up, and this little thing that was connected to it, it's not the fender, but yeah, like this part kind of like cracked, and yeah, and it all just messed up. For the most part, the car is still intact, and then like the rail kind of like folded a little bit, but it's all good. I might just get that fixed soon. And then also one of the spokes in my back tire, I mean not my back tire, like the wheel, it kind of like broke off. It was like this piece right here, I think, or that piece, and it was kind of pointing to the tire, so I had to get that replaced as well. So my brother-in-law, he told me that it could have been worse, because if the accident would have hit like more up, I had to replace this, I believe it's called the fender, I had to replace the hood, and I had to replace the headlight. So good thing it was just right under the headlight, and only this caused it. So the only thing I gotta fix is just the bumper, and I think I might just leave that. And yeah, other than that, I mean, it's pretty much good. My car still drives as new. But yeah, like I said, it's a little fender bender. It's all good. I'm alive and well. Nothing happened to me, so that's good. The car's just a car. It could easily get replaced. Thank you guys so much for everything. Like I said, I'm gonna try to just work on a few things with myself as far as with, like, you know, personal things that's going on, and I'm trying to give you guys back like POVs and all that. So I just want to take care of myself first, and then I'll be more than happy to make more videos for you guys. I appreciate everything that you guys do, the like, comment, the shares. So like I said, it's only up from here, and I will continue to make more videos for you guys and be your Honda guys. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out. My mind is set, and I can be whatever I want to be, and that's what I want to be. I want to be a top tier YouTuber.